Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and quick, easy coconut cauliflower curry, which is keto friendly. So if you're on carb restriction diet, this is perfect for you. So let's get started with the video. Let me quickly show you what basic ingredients we will need for this recipe. This is one pot recipe. I will be making this in instant pot, so it's going to be really quick. So for this recipe, I'm using one cauliflower head. So I have this cauliflower florets in big size or medium size. And then some chopped onion. Now here I have some spices, as you can see. Here I have cumin powder, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and this is garlic powder and ginger powder. Now if you don't have all this, you can simply use curry powder. The curry powder mostly you'll be able to find all the grocery stores. So if you don't have this, you can simply add curry powder. And the measurement for the spices you can adjust according to your preference. For ginger powder and garlic powder, you can omit this and use fresh. This is just easy way, so I'm using powder instead of the fresh ingredient here. Then we will need some tomato puree. You can also use fresh tomatoes. Coconut milk, 1 can unsweetened. This the brand I'm using. Into this pot I'm going to add oil. Add onions into this oil, and I'm using 1 small to medium size of onion here. And if you're using fresh ginger garlic, you want to add it at this point. Let this cook for like a minute. Add salt. Onion is translucent, so at this stage I will add tomato puree, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. Give it a stir. Now into this I will add all my spices. Measurement for the spices will be in the description box. Saute this for about a minute, and now I will add cauliflower to this and mix it. So after a minute, mixing very nicely, I will be adding this coconut milk, 1 can coconut milk in it. Mix it, everything. Now at this stage you want to taste it and see if you need to add more salt for the cauliflowers. Now we are going to close the lid and pressure cook this for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, look at this yummy looking curry. Cauliflower is nicely cooked. And then last ingredient is to add a little bit of sugar. This is optional, but it's gonna give really nice taste to it. So mix it very well and your curry is ready to enjoy. Some cilantro on top. Love to share with you guys this pita bread. This is really, if you're on keto, this is so good. I use this flaxseed, oat bran and whole wheat pita bread. These are really in less carbs in it, so low in carb. As you can see here, only 7 gram carbs per pita bread. So you can stuff it just like that. So if you want to enjoy your curry with this, it's perfect. This is the pita bread. This is how it looks. It's not too thick, but this is so good if you just heat it up or just eat it like that. And I would like to serve this with 1 pita bread, some cucumber salad, and this is the curry we just prepared. You can serve it with the rice or this pita bread. If you're looking for a complete low carb meal, then this is it. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family.